Hi everyone, welcome back to LearnUp English. I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we're going to have a beautiful conversation. We're going to talk about Jesus in simple English.
Yes, whether you're learning English for school, travel, or for your faith, today's lesson will help you speak about Jesus and kindness in easy English.
You'll learn new words, easy phrases, and how to express your feelings about faith and love in everyday English.
So stay with us till the end, practice out loud, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English podcasts like this one.
All right, let's get started.
So Jake, let's start with a simple question. Who is Jesus?
Good question, Emma. In English, we can say Jesus is the Son of God. Jesus teaches us love, peace, and forgiveness.
Let's say that together slowly. Jesus is the Son of God. Good. Now say, Jesus teaches us love, peace, and forgiveness.
That's perfect. Let's break it down. Love means caring for others. Peace means calm and kindness. Forgiveness means saying it's okay when someone makes a mistake.
That's beautiful. Let's practice this short dialogue.
Emma, who is Jesus for you?
Jesus is my teacher and my friend. He teaches me to love everyone.
That's wonderful. For me, Jesus is hope. He helps me be kind every day.
Ah, that's so nice. What about you, listeners? Who is Jesus for you? You can write your answer in the comments below.
Let's learn some simple English sentences about what Jesus teaches us.
Yes, repeat after us.
Jesus teaches us to love others. Jesus teaches us to forgive. Jesus teaches us to help people.
Good job. These are powerful and simple sentences. Now, let's use them in a small story. One day, a man was walking home. He saw another man on the road who was hurt. Many people walked by, but they didn't stop. Then one person stopped to help. He cleaned the man's wounds and gave him water. That person showed love just like Jesus teaches.
That's a short version of the Good Samaritan story. And what's the lesson, Emma?
The lesson is simple. Be kind, help others, love your neighbor.
Exactly. We can say in English, Jesus wants us to love our neighbor. We should help people who need help.
Let's practice. Love your neighbor. Help people who need help. Be kind to everyone.
Excellent. You're doing great, friends.
Sometimes life is difficult, right, Jake?
Yes, that's true. But Jesus teaches us to have hope. Hope means to believe that good things will come.
Let's learn some useful sentences. I have hope because of Jesus. Jesus gives me strength. I pray when I feel sad.
Nice. Now, let's have another small dialogue.
Jake, what do you do when you feel sad?
I pray. I talk to Jesus and I feel better. What about you?
I listen to soft music and say, "Thank you, Jesus, for this day."
That's lovely. So everyone, you can say, "Thank you, Jesus. I trust you, Jesus. I believe in Jesus."
Repeat with us slowly. I trust you, Jesus. I believe in Jesus. I am thankful for today.
Let's talk about prayer in simple English. What is prayer, Emma?
Prayer means talking to God. It's a time to say thank you or ask for help.
Here are some useful phrases. I pray every morning. I thank Jesus for my family. I ask Jesus for peace.
Beautiful. Let's make a short role play. Hi, Jake. Do you pray every day?
Yes, I do. I pray in the morning before work. I say, "Thank you, Jesus, for this new day."
That's so nice. I pray before I sleep. I say, "Thank you, Jesus, for everything today."
Great. So friends, you can also pray in simple English. Just talk from your heart.
Now let's talk about how we can live like Jesus.
Yes, we can say, I try to be kind like Jesus. I forgive like Jesus. I love others like Jesus.
Let's repeat together. I try to be kind like Jesus. I forgive like Jesus. I love others like Jesus.
Perfect. If you live like Jesus, you bring more light to the world.
That's true. When you smile, help others, and speak kindly, you share love.
Let's do one more short story to practice. Emma saw her neighbor looking sad. She smiled and said, "Are you okay?" Her neighbor said, "I lost my job." Emma said, "I'll pray for you." That small act of kindness made her neighbor smile.
Yes, kindness is powerful. A small word can change someone's day.
Let's repeat. Be kind. Pray for others. Share love.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about Jesus in simple English. Let's say some sentences together.
Jesus teaches us love and peace. Jesus gives me hope. I pray every day. I want to live like Jesus.
Good job. Now, here's a small quiz for you.
Number 1. What does Jesus teach us? Pause. That's right, love, peace, and forgiveness.
Number 2. What is prayer? Pause. Yes. Prayer means talking to God.
And number 3. How can we live like Jesus? Pause. Good. By being kind, forgiving, and loving others.
You did great today. Give yourself a big smile.
Friends, thank you for learning with us today. We hope this lesson helped you practice English and also feel peace in your heart.
Yes, remember learning English can be fun and meaningful. Keep practicing every day.
Tell us in the comments. What do you learn from Jesus? We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons like this.
You're doing great. Keep shining, keep learning, and keep smiling.
See you next time on LearnUp English. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. God bless you.